Hey everyone, friends, it's Olga with you. We're making a light, delicious dessert with no sugar, high protein content, and lots of berries. In warm weather, this dessert is better than any cake or pastry, especially since we're making a healthier version. I saw the idea online, but adapted it to our family's tastes. You'll find all the ingredient proportions in the video description. First, take 15 grams of gelatin. That's 1 heaped tablespoon, and dissolve it in room temperature water. You'll need 75 milliliters of water, about 5 tablespoons. The gelatin to water ratio is 1:5. I'm using the simplest instant gelatin from the supermarket. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes to let the gelatin bloom. Next, you'll need 1 package of Quark, 350 grams. Any fat content works, just make sure it's not dry and rubbery. Add 1 package, also 350 grams, of thick yogurt or sour cream, any fat content. I'm using yogurt with 3.5% fat, so the dessert will be more diet-friendly. With sour cream, it'll be creamier. Use whichever you prefer. Instead of sugar, we add 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey to taste, about 80 to 100 grams. You can use less, 2 heaped tablespoons, roughly 60 grams. The amount of honey depends on the berries or fruit you'll be adding. Instead of honey, you can use a sweetener or syrup, again to your taste. For a pleasant aroma, add a pinch of vanilla. Blend everything until smooth and lump-free. You can use an immersion blender or a large stem blender bowl. It only takes a few minutes. The better you blend, the smoother the dessert's texture will be. Next, you'll need 400 grams of strawberries. Instead of strawberries, you can use bananas, canned pineapple in its own juice, raspberries, peaches or blueberries, currants and blackberries. Kiwi and fresh pineapple cannot be used. The jelly won't set with them. Cut the strawberries into medium-sized pieces. To melt the gelatin, pour boiling water into a convenient bowl, then place the small bowl with the gelatin into the hot water. The bowl heats up and the gelatin gradually melts. Stir until you get a smooth, lump-free consistency. To even out the temperatures, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of the Quark mixture to the melted gelatin and stir. Pour the melted gelatin into the Quark mixture and blend with an immersion blender. The mixture becomes lighter and more airy. Add the chopped strawberries and stir. Now take a solid mold so nothing leaks out. A round mold 18 centimeters in diameter works, or a rectangular one like mine, 23 centimeters. If the mold is metal, sprinkle it lightly with drops of water. Then lay 2 pieces of cling film overlapping each other and line the mold. If the mold is silicone, no lining is needed. Pour the dessert into the mold. Cover the top with cling film and refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours until fully set. You can leave it overnight. Once ready, cover the mold with a board or plate, flip it over and remove the mold, then peel off the film. The finished dessert weighs about 1.2 kilograms. Its surface may have creases from the cling film, that's a downside, but it's easy to remove from the mold. In a solid silicone mold, the dessert will come out smooth. Decorate with strawberries or mint. Slice into portions using a sawing motion for a clean cut. Let's try it. I want to note right away. This dessert holds its shape well, yet it's delicate and absolutely not rubbery. The result is a moderately sweet, tender, light, melt-in-your-mouth protein cloud. It's tasty, fresh, and very easy to make. The amount of gelatin is just right. The jelly texture is very pleasant. It's a great recipe. If you like it, give it a try. Thank you to everyone who watched this video to the end. Support my video with a like and a subscription. I look forward to your comments. Wishing you all peaceful skies above. Until next time, my dears, bye bye.